How would you like to take a trip to Mars? Well, you can't. The solar radiation in the atmosphere would kill you. But there is one organism on Earth who hypothetically could survive this trip. Tardigrades are microscopic, eight-legged animals that prefer to live in moss or water, which has given them the nicknames water bears and moss piglets. But these microscopic creatures are tougher than any other bear out there. These animals are able to survive the vacuum of space in areas of intense radiation, sub-zero temperatures, as well as areas without oxygen. So how are these tiny creatures able to survive enough radiation to kill a human? The answer? A DSUP protein. DSUP binds itself to the tardigrade DNA and acts as a shield to prevent radiation damage. Recently, scientists were able to translate DSUP into human cells, and when exposed to radiation, the human cells with DSUP took 50% less damage than the human cells without DSUP. Unlike other forms of treatment, rather than working after the fact to heal the cell, DSUP instead prevents initial damage from occurring inside the DNA. As well, human cells with DSUP are still capable of reproducing, which means that this could be used in the future in biomedicine. One of the main causes of radiation damage is actually from cancer treatments. A lot of cancer patients undergo a therapy called radiation therapy. Radiation therapy involves a specialized site of the body where all of the cancer cells are located being hit with a lot of radiation in order to kill off those cancer cells. However, this can still harm nearby cells. And if those nearby cells had the DSUP protein, they would be much more protected against the treatment, and a lot of side effects could be prevented this way. DSUP could also help us in preventing certain cancers, such as melanoma, which is caused by radiation to the skin. The DSUP protein would be able to better protect human skin from melanoma occurring. While tardigrade research is still in its early stages, they present a whole host of new opportunities in biomedicine. Research is also being done in honing other tardigrade survival capabilities, such as their cryptobiosis, which allows them to survive without water, without oxygen, and in extreme heat and cold. Tardigrade research presents a whole host of new opportunities in so many different fields, like astrobiology, medicine, and they're just in general such fascinating creatures to learn about. So maybe one day in 2050, you'll get to travel to Mars spacesuit free or go to Antarctica without a coat, thanks to the tardigrades.